There's going to be 2 screws that go into here, one over here and one over here that we don't have installed right now, so there is no marks in it. But those will have to be put in. That'll be the very last thing you do. You have a little connection right here for the lights. Just a little thumb. This side you'll have 2 of them. This just rests on here, so it's a matter of when you're done, this just sits on top. There's nothing that anchors this down to it. So you have a little clip here. When you want to undo it, you just push on the little metal tab. That locks it in, so when you're connecting it, just hook it, just clips on. This keeps this, so you can't pull that out. Now it's just a matter, all of them just go in sequence. So this is where your paneling is going to sit. So when it's put up, this is your guide right here. If you're doing this by yourself, start close to a wall so you can lean the one panel. Once you get the L shape, this will support itself. This is not going to go anywhere.
Once you've taken the top off of the sauna, there are going to be 4 cords hanging. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And those are just going to get weaved through. Once you put the top on, you're going to have to lift and weave them through 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then they get plugged in right here. It doesn't matter which goes where. The next one is going to be that white lights cord that comes down right here. That's going to get fed through this one at the front, and it's going to attach right in here. Once everything is all hooked up, you can go ahead and plug these into each other. And then the last step is going to be taking this cord and plugging it into your wall unit.